Hello everyone, how to Tuts back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to uh, change your avatar or profile picture on Discord application. So you need to search or open your Discord app. Then you can see the settings option. Use the settings, click here and then click edit user profile, and you can upload your avatar into OS. First of all, here the pencil icon, and again change avatars. If you click here, then upload image or choose GIF. If you want to choose GIF, then you can get here or you can search here. Or if you want to upload your picture, then here, then you'll see your picture. So I'm just going to add my avatar, maybe. So there are a lot of categories here available. You can choose avatar or you can upload your avatar. So this way you can upload or change your avatar. Okay, so I'm just going to apply. So exit preview. So okay friend, today's no more, and see you in the next video.